guys, this is Judy from EagerLED Limited. This is ordinary indoor LED display module, and this is GOB LED display module over here. The module surface is sealed with innovative grill filling. It can wear protector lamp based on the LED module from water invasion with ultra-high waterproof rating IP68. And the use of advanced new materials to cover lamp surface to provide effective protection. The specially designed anti-collision, a hand-safe and shockproof function to provide ultra-high protection for LED lamp base and various impacts. And the other indoor LED display module is not designed to be and waterproof. So, which of these two LED modules do you prefer? Just tell me in the comment section. So, see you next time. Bye.